What's up guys, it's Stan, back with another video. As you can see behind me, I got the truck. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick video of just some sound clips. I know some people are interested in just less dialogue from me and just a quick video of just sound clips. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make it short and sweet. If you want any details on the truck and on the build itself and everything that I have on it, check out the video. I'll link it somewhere, probably down in the description and somewhere on the screen. But anyway, enjoy the video. Make sure you guys subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Last but not least, I'll give you a little semi-cold start. Before, when I started the truck, it wasn't really that cold, so this should be a little bit better. Give you a little idle and that'll be about it. Make sure you subscribe.